Hey everybody, welcome to ISE 2020. I'm Brian Azano with Stealth Acoustics, and we're talking about some of our new large format outdoor entertainment options here at the show this year. We'll start with the Extreme. The patio theater product is something we brought to market about 4 years ago. It capitalizes on ultra large LED high bright screens that are perfect for daylight viewability. These systems include motorization in the form of lifts to bring these screens out of a waterproof enclosure. It also features built-in audio, so each one of our systems is considered turnkey, featuring 3.1, 5.1, or even 7.1 audio built right into the enclosure. Moving away from the Extreme into our newest offering, the Transformer. The Transformer was really designed to work in the marine industry, so this is a perfect solution for luxury yachts, places where you have limited space. This screen actually folds down into its enclosure for a completely concealed and waterproof protection when it's not in use. And then lastly, we've got the Megalith. The Megalith is an ultra-large format, freestanding or wall-mountable screen. And again, these are using high bright output LED arrays. So this is the same type of screen you see in advertising installations or sports arena scoreboards. With the Megalith, you can achieve practically any size that you have the budget for, and it does feature the world's largest soundbar, as I like to say, but it's a built-in 3.1 audio system that's built right into the bottom of the screen. So check out our options at www.stealthacoustics.com, or if you're here at the show, stop by our booth and check us out.